The 5 best navigation apps for your iPhone. Navigating through the hustle and bustle of modern life can be challenging, but with the right navigation app on your iPhone, getting from point A to point B has never been easier. Whether you're traveling to a new city or just trying to avoid traffic on your daily commute, there are plenty of options available to help you find your way. Here are the 5 best navigation apps for your iPhone in 2024. Google Maps. Google Maps continues to be one of the most popular navigation apps, and for good reason. With accurate maps, real-time traffic updates, and reliable directions, it's a must-have for any iPhone user. Google Maps also offers useful features like offline maps, public transit information, and the ability to explore nearby restaurants, attractions, and more. Apple Maps. Apple Maps has come a long way since its rocky debut, and it's now a solid option for iPhone users. With its clean interface and seamless integration with Siri and other Apple services, Apple Maps makes it easy to navigate wherever you need to go. It also offers helpful features like indoor maps for airports and malls, as well as real-time transit information in select cities. Waze. Waze stands out from the crowd with its community-driven approach to navigation. Users can report accidents, hazards, and traffic jams in real time, allowing Waze to provide accurate and up-to-date information to all its users. It also offers features like voice-guided navigation, automatic rerouting, and the ability to find the cheapest gas stations along your route. Sigic. Sigic is a great choice for iPhone users who frequently travel offline or in areas with poor internet connectivity. It offers high-quality offline maps for over 200 countries, as well as features like turn-by-turn navigation, speed limit warnings, and lane guidance. Sigic also offers a premium subscription service with additional features like real-time traffic updates and live camera alerts. Maps.me. Maps.me is another excellent option for offline navigation, offering detailed maps for over 195 countries and territories. It's perfect for travelers who want to explore off the beaten path without worrying about losing service. In addition to offline navigation, Maps.me also offers features like bookmarking favorite locations, searching for nearby points of interest, and sharing your location with friends. No matter which navigation app you choose, having one on your iPhone can make your travels smoother and more enjoyable. Whether you're navigating through city streets or winding country roads, these 5 apps have you covered with accurate maps, real-time traffic updates, and useful features to help you reach your destination with ease.